Good morning, student. Hope you are well and safe at home. Myself, Subhashish, already I have given you my introductions in my earlier classes. I shall teach you mathematics in the science section. See, since today is the introductory class, so I shall not teach you anything from the book, just I shall tell you something about the subject mathematics. The subject mathematics already you have got from class 1 level, and you have seen that from class 1 the subject, the difficulty of the subject is changing. The things that you have got in class 1, in class 2 you are learning some new things. Again, when you are promoting to class 3, you are getting new things. Again, in class 4, 5, 6, 7, the subject is changing like anything. Now, you are promoted from class 10 to 11. So, now the changes will be very high. If the subject mathematics was 100% difficult in class 10, now it will become 200% difficult. And when you will be promoted to class 12, it will be more difficult. Actually, why the subject mathematics gets very difficult for some students, and for some students the subject is very easy? What is the reason? The reason is that the subject mathematics, it is always related. Whatever I shall teach you today, if you have not taken the class, from tomorrow you cannot understand anything. This is the main reason. But if you say about the other subject, whatever is taught today, and if you have not taken today's class, tomorrow you will not face so much difficulties, because though it is related, but it is not linked. It will not be required. Suppose I am taking a class from trigonometry in class 11. Okay, the students who did not touch trigonometry in class 10, they cannot understand anything. Why? Because I shall not touch from class 10th level. Directly I shall touch trigonometry from class 11 level, and they are related. Whatever terms you have got, whatever formula you have got in class 10, everything will be required in class 11 also. This is the main reason that the subject gets very difficult. And when you will be promoted to class 12, whatever you have learnt in class 11, everything will be required. Okay, that's why when some students, they are not taking the subject mathematics seriously in class 11th level, when they want to do mathematics again in class 12, they cannot do, because the level, whatever is learned in class 11, everything is learned in class 12. Okay, so you have to be very serious about the subject mathematics. You have to decide whether you will choose the subject or not, whether you will study the subject seriously or not. Because if you do not study the subject seriously, then definitely you cannot learn. And remember one thing, that mathematics, always you should be in touch. If you are not practicing the subject 2 days or 3 days, you will see that on the 4th day, when you will start to practice the subject, you cannot do anything. Why? Because everything is linked. Okay, but in other subject it does not happen so. Okay, so if you want to do mathematics seriously, remember one thing, everything you have to দেখো अब मैथमेटिक्स, कुछ कुछ स्टूडेंट सोचता होगा मुझे मैथमेटिक्स चूज नहीं करना है इन द हायर क्लासेस, सो आई शैल नॉट टेक मैथमेटिक्स, आई शैल गो फॉर मेडिकल. But this conception is absolutely wrong. In the earlier classes also I told you that if you think that you will go for medical, mathematics will not be required, then this idea is absolutely wrong, because in the subject physics, in the subject chemistry, the concept of mathematics is required. Okay, you will see that when you will appear medical entrance examination, very few students they can score from the subject physics. They totally depend on the subject chemistry and biology. Why? Because in the subject mathematics, most of the concepts are required from mathematics. That's why if the students they are good in mathematics, they can solve the questions from the subject physics also. Okay, so you have to study the subject mathematics very seriously if you have opted the subject. Okay, कुछ कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का प्रॉब्लम बहुत ज़्यादा है इन द सब्जेक्ट मैथमेटिक्स. वाई? क्योंकि कुछ कुछ स्टूडेंट्स का 9th एंड 10th लेवल पे जो कॉन्सेप्ट्स चाहिए वो कॉन्सेप्ट्स थोड़ा बहुत क्लियर नहीं है. इसीलिए क्या होता है, जब हम लोग 11 का सम्स करने जाता है या क्लास 12 का आधा सम्स अगर हम लोग कर देंगे, नेक्स्ट जो आधा सम्स है उस आधा सम्स पे 9 या 10th का टॉपिक आ जाता है. तब हम लोग क्या करते हैं, वहाँ पे टॉपिक को स्टूडेंट का ऊपर छोड़ देते हैं या उसको होमवर्क दे देते हैं या उसको क्लास वर्क दे देते हैं, यू डू दिस सम. ओके, देन द स्टूडेंट्स whose concept in class 9 and 10th is not clear, they cannot do that sum. Okay, and they do the sum half. That means whatever is taught in the class they learn up to this, but whatever is done in the earlier classes they cannot do from that level. Okay, so it is very much important that you should clear the topics wherever you were weaker in class 9 and 10, you study it once again. Okay, so that you do not face any problems in class 11 and 12. Okay, you do one thing, whenever anything is taught in the class, okay, if a sum is half done and the teacher tells you that from here you do it at home, you will do one thing, you try whatever will be required here, you try to do this part from class 10th level again, and if necessary you do the entire chapter whatever was done in class 10 once again. ठीक है, so you have to go in a systematic order whenever you will be learning mathematics. Without system you cannot learn mathematics. In other subjects you can do it, I am telling you once again. Okay, and in the competitive exams mathematics plays a very important role, because after the completion of your education, if you want to study other subjects, then also mathematics will be required. And if you want to go for any competitive exams or any interview for the job, then also mathematics will play a very important role. In the earlier classes I have told you about those things, because if there is a 200 marks question, out of this 200 marks question 100 marks will be coming from the subject mathematics. Okay, so my suggestion is that you opt mathematics, you study seriously, and not only mathematics, you study all the subjects seriously, because most of the students, they do not want to study mathematics. That means they keep it as fourth subject, and taking it as fourth subjects, they do not practice it. ओके ऐसा मत करो, क्योंकि अगर तुमको अच्छा मार्क्स नहीं भी चाहिए होगा एग्ज़ाम पे, तभी भी मैथमेटिक्स को स्टडी करो, क्योंकि फ्यूचर में ये बहुत प्रॉफिट देने वाला है. ठीक है. सो टुडे आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टेल यू many more things. Let me stop here today. Okay, when we shall be meeting, I shall tell you many more things. I shall tell you many stories about the subject mathematics. Okay, thank you.